Hello and welcome back. We'll be discussing some of the best photo editing software available in the market. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves to capture memories, having the right photo editing software can make a world of difference. First up, we have Adobe Creative Cloud, available at adobe.com. This is the industry standard for photo editing and is used by professionals around the world. With a wide range of tools, Adobe Creative Cloud offers the perfect blend of simplicity and versatility, making it a great choice for anyone looking to edit their photos. Some of the most popular applications included in this suite are Photoshop, Lightroom, and Illustrator. Next, we have Darktable, available at darktable.org. This open-source software is a great alternative to Adobe Creative Cloud, especially for those who are looking for a more budget-friendly option. Despite its lack of some advanced features, Darktable is a powerful photo editing tool that is perfect for amateur photographers who are looking to enhance their photos. Another great option is PhotoPos Pro, available at photopos.com. This software is known for its user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners who are just starting out with photo editing. With a range of features, including basic image editing, advanced editing tools, and special effects, PhotoPos Pro is a great all-round option for anyone who wants to enhance their photos. For those looking for a more straightforward photo editing software, Inpixio is the perfect choice. Available at inpixio.com, this software offers a range of simple, yet effective tools for enhancing your photos. Whether you want to remove unwanted objects, adjust brightness and contrast, or add special effects, Inpixio has you covered. Last but not least, we have Befunky, available at befunky.com. This online photo editor is perfect for those who want to edit their photos quickly and easily. With a range of templates, effects, and tools, Befunky is a great option for anyone who wants to make their photos stand out. And there you have it, some of the best photo editing software available in the market. Whether you're looking for a professional-grade tool or a more budget-friendly option, there's something for everyone. So, go ahead and start editing your photos today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.